Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome me back to the channel because I know guys, it's been so long. I never intended to be away for this long, ever. It was never premeditated. I never sat there and thought, oh yeah, like that's it, I'm never posting again. Just life happened, and life happened at me really quickly. I feel like that's the best way to describe like the last 3 years of my life. So firstly, let's just hit all like the really obvious things, the surface things that you're gonna notice. I'm wearing traditional braces. Hey girl, what happened to your Invisalign? Hey girl, what happened to keeping your gap? Hey girl, what happened? Yeah, basically my Invisalign journey had to come to an abrupt end when it completely opened up my bite. My teeth were no longer touching. I could not eat. I was having like a plethora of issues. Oh yeah, anyway, so that happened, and they tried for like a year to try and close it. That wasn't working, and then in the end I had to be referred to a specialist to get traditional braces in order to actually fix my bite. So I usually wear elastics. I don't have them on. I'm sure you'll see it in an upcoming video, but yeah, long story short, that's what happened. And something that I ended up doing because I could still keep my gap and straighten my teeth has now got me in a position where I've had to lose the gap that I cherished so much. If any of you followed that whole Invisalign journey, then you will know how much actually, if you've just been on my channel for a long time, you know how much my gap means to me and meant to me. And so, yeah, I mean, I'm completely heartbroken and devastated. The day I found out that I would be getting traditional train tracks and I'd lose my gap, I cried for like 3 hours straight. I was crying so much I couldn't actually move the car to get from the orthodontist back to my house. I sat in my car for about 2 hours crying. But yeah, anyway, so that's that. I also... Oh, that one. I got married. I got married 2 years ago, and I also had a baby girl a year and a half ago. Exactly, I had a baby a year and a half ago. So yeah, like I said, life just happened at me really fast. So just to give you an idea of what like 2020, I got married in 2023. Did I get married in 2023? I got married in 2022. 2022. I got engaged in, I believe, February or January. End of January, I got engaged. And then in August, I had my traditional wedding. In September, I had my registry wedding. In September, my husband and I also moved into our home. And then by October, I was pregnant. In November, we had our white wedding in Portugal. And then by the next July, I had a baby. So listen, guys, when you pray to God and you ask God for things and you say, if it is in your will, let it be done in my life, there are certain things that he has for you that is going to come like bum, 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 bum. And that's literally what it felt like. Like so much happened. So many blessings that actually it felt overwhelming, and it almost felt like what the heck. But anyway, we give God all the glory. And yeah, what just started out as a really busy year, and before I knew it, I wasn't posting as much because there was just so much happening. And then I was pregnant, and then I wanted to like have some time to enjoy my pregnancy, just me, my family, my friends. I didn't even post on Instagram like that. And then eventually I kind of announced on Instagram. And even with that, I was in and out, just posting here and there. I just wanted to take time really to just indulge in the new chapter of my life. As most of you know, I've been posting here on YouTube since I was 21 years old. Today is my birthday. Today is the 7th of Feb, and I am officially 36 years old. 36 years old. I got married at 33, and I got married at 33, and I gave birth at 34 to my firstborn child. And yeah, like here we are, basically. Just a lot has happened in a short amount of time. And I'm actually glad I took that time to just, yeah, I mean, I'm sure most of you will understand. I also want to say thank you to everybody who scoured the internet looking for me, that were like, where have you been? People that found me on Instagram and were like, where have you been? Like, I'm so glad to see you're doing well. You know, all of that stuff. I really appreciate it. I'm still running Wild Seed Botanicals. I still have like my skincare brand. You guys definitely check it out. Also, follow me on Instagram. I feel like Instagram is just an easier place to have snippets of life, especially when I don't have the capacity to do long form content. I have a whole bunch of like miscellaneous reels which I'll post on here as shorts for you guys, but I am back. It's just trying to navigate what that will now look like, because I am in a completely different season to the last time I posted a video. Last time I posted a video, was I single? I could possibly have been single the last time I posted a video, or I might have been in like the early stages of a relationship, and now I'm a whole wife and a mother. So I feel like the capacity in which I'm going to show up will be different. The content will be different, but I will always be your natural hair like bestie. I'm still here. In the time I've been away, I have cut my hair multiple times. I literally cut my hair in January. It is now maybe here. But yeah, I had really bad postpartum shedding, and I want to post a video about that. I want to do like a whole video about that. I want to share what I did to help me, and because it was so severe, like I've really reflected and thought about all the different things that impacted how badly I lost hair, and what I feel like other women can do in the same situation as me, especially as somebody who is a sickle cell trait carrier. I definitely feel like, you know, had I known certain things ahead of time, I would have ensured that I kept certain vitamin levels high. But yeah, I will come back with that video, and yeah, there's a few things that like I feel like there's a few things I feel like the Lord has placed on my heart that I want to share. So I'll definitely be back to do that. I will continue, of course, to share my natural hair journey, like growing my hair back, and all that good stuff. It definitely won't be in the same capacity as before. I just don't have that much time to do my hair as I used to, but I still do care for my hair, and I love her very affectionately. I will also share my daughter's like hair care journey with you guys, and things that I'm doing for her, and some hairstyles. My husband and I have decided to keep her face off the internet. For me, it's predominantly for safeguarding, and I just feel like the world, like the level of demonic activity in the world has really increased, especially when it comes to sexual perversion. And there's just so many predators out there, and I just don't want to be an unwise parent, an unwise steward of God's child. So yeah, anyway. Like I said, it's my birthday and we're getting ready to head out. So I just really felt strongly to film this video today. And as brief, as short as it is, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm here. I'm well, by God's grace. I'm very well. And yeah, I'll be back with more things. I'll definitely share more of like family life. I'll try and vlog more and just take you guys on like my journey as a small business owner, and also like I feel like I'm a full-time mum slash homemaker, and I'm also like a full-time like business owner. Do you know what I mean? I'm doing both, I'm balancing both, and I'll definitely take you guys on that journey because I don't feel like I've got that balance perfect, but I'm trying. And yeah, by God's grace, we're getting there, and I'll share more of that with you guys. But in addition to that, please do let me know, now that you have a quick update on my life, do let me know the kind of things that you'd also like to see from me in this season of life. And yeah, happy birthday to me, and thank you all for the last like 20 something years of growing together. You guys have seen me from my uni bedroom filming on a laptop to a grown woman with a child. Yeah, anyway, I love you guys so much. God bless you and keep you. Bye.